We're thrilled to present to you our Wylela Fiberglass pool, a rectangle pool shape that's brimming with personality and charm. The Wylela is not just any pool, it's a fusion of classic design and modern charisma. It's the perfect spot for creating unforgettable memories with your loved ones. Imagine stepping into its inviting waters through the full-width shallow end entry steps, feeling the cool embrace of crystal-clear water. But that's not all. After enjoying a refreshing swim or playing with your family, you can unwind on the comfortable seating benches strategically located on the right side of the pool. These benches not only offer a place to relax but also keep the swimming area spacious and open for all kinds of fun activities. What makes the Wylela truly special is its versatility. Our customers love adding their personal touch with stunning water features like deck jets, waterfalls, water spouts, and mesmerizing LED lighting. These additions transform the Wylela into a breathtaking centerpiece that will leave your family and guests in awe. San Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.